In this video today, we will see how to lock Play Store app with a PIN code on Samsung S24 or S25 so that children won't be able to download games and other apps in your phone. Now for this one, what I will do is I will go ahead and open Google Play Store. Open it, tap on the profile icon here, select settings and go to family, select parental controls and enable this option parental controls. You have to enter a separate PIN code for this one. OK, re-enter to confirm. So once it is done, select apps and games and then you can select the age limit. For example, if I don't want children to install games which are recommended for 3+ years, I will just go on disabling this option. So only 3+ application which are rated for children's, it is allowed to be installed. Let me select save. Now if children go and open Google Play Store application and if they try to search for games or any apps above 3+ years, then it won't be shown. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share if you found it helpful.